civil service, examination, like the results just come out, and none of the Meghalayans has been come out again this year. So this is a matter of concern, and in 50 years, it's very unfortunate. But like there may be a reason where we have where we have left behind. So I think this is a really wake up call for the governance, for the institutions, for the academicians, for the young people of Meghalaya. We still believe the Meghalaya students, we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very, very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce civil service candidates in near future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I would request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young people. I think, like our thinking, I think we should have a self motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue. But here, to me, the minds of our young people not well connected with the national standard, both physically and mentally. So I think as a students, as a institutions, our students must get connected well with the national and the international standard, both physically as well as mentally prepared to face the challenges. Because the entrance examination, like the national level, right? I don't know where we have went wrong, but I think it's time to reignite ourselves. That I'm second to nobody, and we should have reignite ourselves. This is what I feel.